You are going to love the 2018 Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan and is priced below $25,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, backup camera, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.